back it in there.
Sure, I'll back it in. The wiper fluid, I had to replace sooner than usual. Now,
I'm not out of wiper fluid.
well, okay,
I
somebody.
never use it.
Yeah, well, I guess your imaginary friend uses wiper fluid, right? Where do you
gonna
go?
walk.
What do you mean you're walking?
Don't want your truck.
Truck's right there.
I
What are
don't
you
need
talking-
your truck.
It's gonna be there all day. I'm just asking, maybe you could put a little air in the tires from time to time.
Bonjour! Now that you've opened your Allez-vous starter kit, let's begin with those essential tips and tricks you'll need to make up to $600,000. That's $50,000 a month. That's $7,000 a week.
No, it isn't.